how-tos.
Today we're going to go over a few various ways you can use the wall ball. If I'm really trying to work on that rotational strength, the rotational power, I'll take it, elbows up, rotate. Right there, I may do 20 to 30 reps. Another way as well, taking the ball here, really drawing back, throw it against the wall, have it bounce back to me. All right, and do the same thing. Why? You're mirroring, actually throwing a punch and using your body like we talked about before.